Let's start taking examples on balancing equations. The first example is we have this equation, zinc plus hydrochloric acid reacts to give zinc chloride plus hydrogen. So the reactants are zinc plus hydrochloric acid, and the products are zinc chloride plus hydrogen. Let's balance the equation. The equation above is in the word form, and the equation below is the chemical equation showing the symbols. First thing to do is to count the number of atoms in the reactants. How many Zn we have? There's no number below it or before it. So Zn equals to 1. Now how many hydrogens do we have? We have 1. Similarly, we have 1 Cl. Now let's see the products and compare the numbers. We have 1 zinc. Cl has 2 below it, so Cl equals to 2. We have 2 atoms of Cl. Similarly, for hydrogen, we have 2 atoms of hydrogen. So let's compare the numbers. Zn equals to 1 on both sides. For hydrogen, in the reactants we have 1, and in the products we have 2. And for chloride, in the reactants we have 1, and in the products we have 2. So let's try and put 2 before HCl and count again. Zn equals to 1. There's a 2 before hydrogen, so hydrogen equals to 2. And this 2 is also for Cl, so Cl equals to 2 as well. Let's compare the numbers with the products. Zn equals to 1 on both sides, H equals to 2 on both sides, as well as Cl equals to 2 on both sides. So the number of atoms on the reactant side is equals to the number of atoms on the product's side. So this is how we balance an equation. So to balance an equation, the number of atoms on the reactant side should always be equal to the number of atoms on the product's side.